In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SLA in Zoho Desk. First, we'll start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. This is the foundation of any task you'll perform in Zoho Desk, so if you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. With your login details handy, head to the Zoho Desk website, enter your username and password, and you'll be in your dashboard in no time. Now, once you're inside your account, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is often referred to as the setup icon. This icon is your gateway to a multitude of customization and automation settings that Zoho Desk offers. Go ahead and click on this setup icon. Preparing to set up an SLA requires entering this section, where you'll find a range of options designed to help tailor your customer service experience. Next, locating the automation section is key. Automation is all about making processes smoother and less manual, so it's a useful area to get familiar with. As you scroll through the Setup menu, watch for the Automation section. It's here that you will find the SLAs option, which stands for Service Level Agreements. These are crucial for defining the expected service response times, and having them clearly set up ensures that customers know exactly what they can expect from your service team. Once you've clicked on SLAs, you'll be presented with any existing SLAs you've set up. To create a new SLA policy, look for the plus New SLA button. Clicking this will open a new window where you can begin defining your SLA. This step is where you set the parameters for your customer support timings, like how quickly you'll respond to a customer query or resolve an issue. Consider what's realistic and aligns with your team's capabilities while meeting customer expectations. As you configure your new SLA, you can specify various details like the timing conditions for first responses, resolutions, and when escalations should occur if a ticket isn't addressed within the stipulated time frame. Tailor these settings to balance quality customer service with your operational capacity. By being thorough with these details, you can enhance your team's efficiency and your customers' satisfaction by providing predictable, timely support. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your new SLA. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create an SLA in Zoho Desk. With these steps completed, your Zoho Desk account will be more organized, and your customer service operations can run more smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more of the features Zoho Desk has to offer to further optimize your support efforts.